Today we are going to telling you something about that how to add watermark in MS Word. MS Word is a software which is used to type or create any Word file for protecting and giving copyright of yourself. We use watermark. This is watermark. Today we will tell you something about it, how to add watermark in MS Word. You don't have to do much more. It's very easy and very easy that how to add a watermark. First of all, type the data which you need in as a watermark. For adding a watermark under that, you don't have to do much more. You only have to do that, complete your document and then click on insert. After clicking on insert, you have to see where is a watermark. Watermark is a very interesting options for you all, that how to add a watermark. Sorry, watermark is not in insert. Insert you what you want to insert in that. You may shapes, smart art and etc. Go on page layout and there you will find that watermark. You may use any type of watermark. May use this type of watermark, and you can easily customize the watermark by just clicking on the custom watermark. On the custom watermark, you have to edit the name of draft as you want to add here. We wish to add here how to answer, and your watermark will be here. This is our watermark. This is our copyright, and this may you can use. It's very easy, and you may remove it also. Click on remove and you will be done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Next time won't ask anyone that how to add a watermark in MS Word. Those are 2003, 7 and 10. Thank you.